Unburstable Beyblades is back with another video. We have Vise Leopard against Emperor Forneus. If you want to see who wins, stay with Unburstable Beyblades and smack that subscribe button. Let's do it.
Emperor Forneus is so good.
Battle 1. Vise Leopard with an attack. And Emperor Forneus with defense. And it's Emperor Forneus.
Emperor Forneus is a $15 card. Tommy, what?
Battle 2. It looks like Vise Leopard, but you can never be too sure with Unburstable Beyblades. Let's go! It's Emperor Forneus. 2-0. Emperor Forneus wins this video. Let's go. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Unburstable Beyblades.